Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can either delete or remove the e-saved passwords on Chrome. So sometimes when you're using Chrome and you enter your certain credentials on Chrome, you see an option that says save password, and if you have saved your passwords onto Chrome but now want to delete those passwords, this is what you need to do. First of all, head over to your web browser, that is Google Chrome, and then tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner. After you tap on the three dots, you can see various options over here. Tap on the option that says history. As you go to history, tap on clear browsing data. And when you go to clear browsing data, now what you can do is you can either select different browsing data on the site. Now, because you want to delete and remove the e-saved passwords, only select the saved passwords option. And after doing that, tap on clear browsing data. Confirm that you want to delete the browsing data by tapping on clear browsing data again. And in this way, all of the saved passwords on your Chrome will get deleted. Tap on the done button on the top right corner in the end, and this is basically how it works. So I hope that this video has been able to guide you through deleting or removing your own e-saved passwords on Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.